Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for cashback card with Discover Rewards application guide step by step clearly. To apply for a cashback card with Discover, start by visiting the official Discover website. Look for the section dedicated to credit cards. Click on the cashback card option to explore the available offerings. Review the different cashback rewards options provided. Choose a card that best fits your spending habits and financial needs. Click the Apply Now button associated with your selected card. You will be redirected to the application form. Begin by filling out your personal information, including your name and address. Next, enter your email address and phone number for contact purposes. Provide details about your employment status and income. Be ready to input your social security number for identity verification. If you have additional income sources, include that information as well. Review your information carefully to ensure accuracy before submission. Once everything is completed, submit your application. You may receive a decision on your application within minutes. If approved, follow further instructions to activate your new card. If additional information is required, respond promptly to any requests from Discover. Once activated, begin using your cashback card to earn rewards on your purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.